We have this question from March 17, paper 62, and the question says that we have to, we are given a stem and leaf diagram, which is showing the weights in kgs of packets of cereal, okay? And from this, we have to draw a box and whisker plot, okay? So for the box and whisker plot, we need to have box and whisker plot is basically a 5-figure summary of the whole data, okay? So for that, we need to have the least value according to the key. The least value right now, it is going to be the smallest value is 0.7473. That is, this is the point from where the our box and whisker plot would start, okay? So the last observation is 0.7532 kg. So the graph would end at this, okay? Then we need to have the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile, okay? Now, these are like 7 plus 12, 19 plus 15 is 34, 34 plus 13 is 47, and 47 plus 12 is, how many of these are? Does it give us a number? I'm just adding them together. Uh, no, it doesn't tell us a total. So we have to add them together basically, okay? No problem. So let's add this. This is 7 plus 12, 19 plus 15 is 34. 34 plus 13 is 47. 58. So we have 59 values altogether, okay? So 59 plus 1, 59 plus 1 over 2, that means we have 30. So the median is at the 30th place. So this is 1 plus 6, 7 plus 12 is 19. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And this is the median. Please confirm this. Have I done this correctly? The median is 0.7507. 0.7507. Okay, so 59. So when there are total 59 values, okay, when you have total 59 values, so that means here is the 30th value at the middle. Okay, 30th. How many are left? 58. So that means there are going to be 29 in the beginning and 29 at the end. The median of these 29 observations should be your lower quartile, okay? So the 15th observation, let's see, the 7 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the 15th observation here. So my lower quartile is 0.7495. That is the lower quartile. And from the last 15, from the last 29, the 15th is like you add 15 into this 30 over here, okay? So 30 plus 15 is a 45. So 45th observation would be your upper quartile. 7 plus 19 plus 34, 34, and this is 47, 46. So this one is the upper quartile. So that is 0.7517. I need you guys to recheck all these values before we go on to start drawing the box and whisker plot. Okay, now let's see how to take this, how to take the scale here. Okay, now please subtract these two values. Tell me, what do you get? This 0.7532 minus 0.7473. You can ignore this point. Just find 7,532 minus 7,473. What do you get?
5.9 into 20. minus
What,
3.
what do you get?
I get 0.005.
0.00052. Yes?
9. 59.
59. Okay, so this means this red line has to be divided into at least 60 parts. Okay, so let us start this from uh, 0.7470. Okay, if I have 80 here, 90 here, 100 here. No. Okay, so I'm going to keep here 0.7480, 0.7490, 0.7500, 0.7510, 0.7520, 0.7530. Okay, so we have got this a reasonable scale over here. Okay. Now this is, since you have to draw only one box and whisker plot over here, so you can, this is up to you that how much higher you go from this line. Okay, so I'm going to start it from here. So my whisker would be starting. Let me take this dark blue color. Okay, I have to start this from point 7473. So this is 740, 1, 2, 3. I'll be starting from here, okay? And I have to go to till the 95, okay? So 95 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this would be the first whisker. And the upper quartile is 0.7517. 0.7520, 19, 18, and here it is. You have to draw this very carefully. Okay, I'm telling you because इसके अंदर कोई इतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है. आपके मार्क्स आपको लूज नहीं करने हैं. आपने केयरलेसनेस इसको बड़ा it will be like you check very carefully. Okay, so I'm going to take three. Its tail is going to be like this: 3 steps up, 3 steps down here. Okay, so this is going to be 3 steps up and 3 steps down. Okay, this ends here. Okay, now we have to draw that box. So we are quite clear now.
So why did we add these 3 steps up?
This is up to you. Like this whisker, there has to be a vertical line over here. This is an optional thing. If you draw this, okay. If you want to have this.
So it doesn't matter कितने points में करते हैं.
So this is the box over here, and I have to show the median. Median is at 0.7507. 7507. It is going to be 98. This is yours. Okay. This is your box and whisker plot. Okay. Got it, bacho? That is how you have your box and whisker plot. It looks a bit wider. You could have this drawn like, if you had taken the box like this, so it could have been a bit better. Anyhow, there's no problem with this. Okay? It says name a distribution that might be suitable model for the weights of this type of cereal packet. Justify your answer. Uh, if this was exactly in the middle of this, um, I mean, this median, if this was exactly in the middle of this box, then you could have modeled this as a normal distribution. Okay, you will be studying about this in maybe in the 1 month time, the normal distribution thing. Okay, so can you quickly tell me what is this 0.7517 minus 0.7507? Please tell me quickly what do we have this? What is this number? This difference here? Yes, this is 10, you know, ignoring all the decimal points, okay? And this is 12. Yeah, this can be, this looks to me that this is a fairly evenly poised data over here. Like, though this is negatively skewed data, but there is hardly a difference between 10 and 12. So we can model this as a normal distribution, okay? Okay, this question is from March 16. Fourth question, we have to draw the histogram for this. I'm just going to slide this a bit up here so that I can have some space. Okay. And I'm going to draw a grid myself here. Okay, we have here the times. Here is the frequency. This is the column for the class width, and this is the column for the frequency density. So I'll myself, you see there's no one less than 10. So I'll keep my first group as it is between 10 and 25. The frequency is given 18, okay? Then the next T is between 25 and 45. So what should be the frequency for 25 to 45? Yes, this should be 50 minus 18 because less than 45 means this includes this less than 25 as well. So I have to write 32. Can you see that? This is basically the cumulative frequency distribution, okay? So then the next group is, which is going to be from 45 to 60. So how much frequency for that? That would be 9, okay? And then from 60 to 80. So we have 4, the frequency is 4 for this, okay? And then you have the class widths. The class width is 5 here, the class width is 20 here, the class width is 15, and then the class width is 20. Okay. The frequency density is going to be class frequency over the class width. So the frequency density, if you have the calculators, please, the person with the calculator, are you ready? Yes, tell me what is 5 over 18? Okay, this is basically frequency is 18, class is 5. So 18 over 5 is 3.6. 22 over 32 over 20 is 1.6.
1.6, 1.6,
9 over 15 is zero point 0.6.
0.6. Yes, sir. 0.6.
And this one is point.
0.2.
Point.
2.
Okay, let me draw the grid for the histogram and you can try drawing that on your graph papers. Okay, I'm sure you will excuse me, will forgive me for this not very evenly divided grid, but I just had to show you a model. You can obviously you have to draw this on a graph paper. Okay, so the first bar has to go from 10 to 25, and this has to go up to 3.6. I'm going to take this 3.6 here. So 10 to 25 is going to be like this. Let me use a filled one, okay? So this is the first bar, 10 to 25. Okay, I'm just going to draw them with different colors. The next one is going to go from 25 to 45 up to 1.6. So believing this is 1.6, this goes up to 45. So this is going to go up to 45. The next one is from 45 to 60, going up to zero point 0.6. So going up to zero point 0.6. So zero point 0.6 should be like this. It is going up to 60. Okay, this is up to 60. And the last one is going up to 60 to 80, and this is 0.2. Oh, very small bar here. Okay, 60 to 80. So this is how your histogram would look like. most probably. Okay, any questions? I'm ending this video here. Let's enter the next session for some more questions.